180,000 followers and more than 5 million likes. Empty blank, pulling millions of views with animated shorts. Worldwide story, doing the exact same thing across platforms. Yet these creators are making thousands of dollars every single month from short animated stories. And here's what most people miss. They are not special storytellers, and they are not professional animators. They are just using the right AI tools in the right way. They take simple ideas and package them into stories your brain cannot scroll past. Some videos are based on real events. Some feel real but are completely fake. Some exaggerate stereotypes everyone instantly understands. Some tell rise stories about people going from nothing to power, famine, or disaster. Different topics, same formula. And here's the part that changes everything. I'm going to show you a single tool that gives you fully prepared templates for all of these story types, letting you create each video in under 5 minutes. Not only that, I'll show you how to automate the entire process so AI creates, posts, and grows your accounts daily while you're literally sleeping. So if that sounds useful, hit like, subscribe, and let's break it down step by step. The tool we're using today is called Korpi AI, and this is not one of those tools where you need editing skills or complicated setups. Korpi is built specifically to create viral AI shorts in trending niches completely automated. First step, go to the link in the description and sign up. Once you're inside, you'll land on the dashboard. Right away, you'll see a library of trending templates, things like AI stories, Roblox-style content, fake text videos, and more. For this video, we're focusing on AI story, so click right here. This is the full story workflow. First the script, then the scenes, and finally the voiceover. If you already have a script, you can paste it in here, but if you don't, Korpi can generate one for you. So we'll click generate. Now look at this. You get different story formats you can switch between anytime. Stories based on fear, stereotypes, fake but believable stories, or rise stories. For this example, I'll choose scary stories. Click generate script, and just like that, in a few seconds, the full story's ready. Next step, visuals. You can choose from a ton of styles. Dark cartoon, ultra realistic, Pixar style, even Simpson style visuals. For this story, I'm going with dark comic because it performs really well for this format. Then click next. Now choose your transition style. I usually stick with smooth, but dramatic also works great depending on the vibe. After that, click generate scenes. Give it a moment and you'll see all the scenes appear automatically. Each visual is perfectly aligned with the script. Once everything looks good, click next. Now we're at the final step, voiceover. You'll see a note here about background music for YouTube. Just to avoid copyright issues, you can adjust the voice speed, pitch, and tone, then select your voice character. These voices come from 11 Labs, so the quality is top tier. I'm going with Adam. Once everything looks right, click Generate Video. It only takes 1 credit. A few seconds later, your video is done. Fully scripted, fully voiced, fully animated. No editing required. Did you know the Black Point Lighthouse still keeps a log that never lies, even when the lamp goes dark? In 1984, or during a nor'easter, keeper Elias Crane, his apprentice Mira Toland, and harbor master Jonas Reed vanished. The storm battered the harbor for 6 hours. At 11:47 p.m., the town's lights failed. The logbook later records a single line. A voice answered the flash. The voice spoke not as a human, but as a chorus of bells, clear as ice. Their bodies were never found, yet the town heard a piano playing from the lighthouse each winter at exactly 1:12 a.m., though the piano had burned in 1979. A tape from missing text, likely describing a Tate balcony, stitched with a symbol no one recognized. Every year on the anniversary, the foghorn hisses, the light flickers, and a shadow moves behind the glass. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Let's automate everything. Click here to try the automation feature, then select Create Your First Campaign. Give your campaign a name. I'll call mine December Campaign. You can choose to upload videos based on specific topics, or let the AI randomly generate content for you. Just pick your niche here. AI story, text stories, meme clips, and more. Next, select how long you want the campaign to run. 1 month, 2 months, or longer, depending on your credits. Then choose the exact time you want your videos posted every day. After that, select the platform, TikTok or YouTube. I'll choose YouTube and connect this brand new channel. Just sign in with your Gmail and allow access. Once that's done, you're finished. Korpi will now create, upload, title, and post videos automatically every single day. You don't touch anything. I checked the channel after the first scheduled time, and the video was already live with a title and description. Now it's just a matter of watching the performance and letting the system run. If you want to start creating trending videos on autopilot, go to the link in the description and try Korpi AI for yourself. And if this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see